back to our YouTube channel. This is Life with the Bawakas. Kama kawaida, it's all about
love and fun.
So today, can you guess what I'm doing? Munaniona kitchen. What do people do in the kitchen? They cook. Anyway, guys, so today we'll be doing a cooking video. This is the breakfast edition. So this video is all about what you would cook for someone. For breakfast, you see. So tuliketi na baby akasema let me do the breakfast edition and he'll do the lunch edition, but atakuwa ananisaidia tu hapa na pale because he's the one behind the camera. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. Ngoja kwa nile chakula yenye napika. Mimi ni mpishi ya mjani, mimi ni mpishi.
Anyway, your food is always delicious, baby.
Thank you. Anyway, so guys, let's get into the video. Remember this is
breakfast edition. Kidogo niseme live with the Bawakas.
Nilikuwa nishakusikia. Anyway, guys, tuanze.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
So let's just wait mpaka ziive, then I'll be placing them here, then I put for the second round.
Yeah.
That's it, you know?
Yeah.
So let's wait about how many 10 to 15 minutes, so like that. So let me just chat on the camera.
So guys, what we're doing now, tunatoa kwanza first round tunaitoa kiweka pale ikauke. Ndio. Mafuta ilitoka. Hey, can I have a taste?
Yeah.
It's so hot but sweet. Hot
So I
and
was
sweet.
telling you guys, if you want to know if your potatoes are good, kuja basi nifanye na wewe. Just take one potato over there, then cut mara mbili.
Oh, let me take this one.
So you see, inside it's soft,
Yeah.
and then outside it's crunchy. You see,
Yeah.
so that's how you know your potatoes are good. But now since I want, unajua sisi tunapika, we want super crunchiness, so that's why tunazieka mara mbili, because the outside we want it to be like super crunchy. That's why we are
Wow,
putting
so
it
sweet.
like mara mbili.
Wow.
Okay. So guys, you want to
You're
roll
rolling them.
these
Oh.
things hivyo.
Zimekauka mafuta, sasa ndio kiasi.
You see this thing haina mafuta mingi hivyo.
Yeah.
So I have just rolled hivyo. Ndio tuone. Unaona, they don't have that much oil. You get it? So sahi hata naweza zifile but si sana.
Are you done, buddy? Almost.
I'm almost. I guess I have to exchange this one.
Which one? What do you want to put there?
Let me put them here.
Okay.
First. Okay, so that this one is then I'll use it. That's it now.
So we are done. So after that, is there anything else? Oh, so guys, that's all. We do it secondly. Sindio, hii mara pili tunaifanya. So after this ni hivyo, sindio? Hakuna ku dip tena.
Just put So guys, I just put a little bit of salt for taste. Ama to taste. I don't know that hiyo kitu. So after putting in a bit of salt, then I go in with some paprika, kidogo tu, si mingi. Mix. And that's it.
We're doing now. We're on the second one, isn't it?
Yeah, manze.
Yeah.
So I'm just peeling this. What are they called?
Carrots.
Nikipika, I don't know how to talk.
Carrots.
The carrots.
Yeah.
So I'll be grating up these carrots. Nazipil tu ngozi ya nje. Then I'll be grating them.
So let me wash the cabbage that Leila will be using. Nimsaidia 1, 2, 3. Kiasi hivyo.
I'll be needing onion. I hadn't told you, but I'll be needing it. So what's up with this onion? So guys, I'll be showing you the whole recipe. Stay tuned.
So what are you making right now?
Tunaisha kwa mayai. Oh, the onion, Jesus Lord. So now, coming to the eggs. Akisijo, unajua bedhe I don't know to crack eggs vizuri.
Should I show you?
I crack it. Look, I crackingi vizuri. I don't know.
Okay, let me show you. Shikilia hapa.
Wait.
Shikilia hapa. Mshikilia?
Me, I don't know. So
Evil.
me, I just don't know how to crack my eggs well. I don't know why. Okay, me wanaogopa hizo vitu zingie ndio maana. That's why thank you.
There you have it.
Sitaki kuweka salt mingi. That's it. I'm just adding in nikishaiweka kwa pan kidogo. I'm trying to add in a little bit of this one. So now we ought to put this in here. Ngoja tuone. Not yet.
But it's not.
We don't want that mayai ikuwe na mafuta mingi. That's why unaona pan yangu haina mafuta mingi. You see? Don't put a lot of heat, you see?
Yeah.
Don't just pour in the mixture like that. And now what is this? So we just
Spread it to form a nice shape, isn't it?
Not even about the shape exactly.
So guys, as we were waiting kikaukanga, let's prepare some bread.
So now for the bread we just do this, okay?
Use a little spoon, this bread.
I just have to spread some margarine on it kidogo. Unajua I'm trying to do fast ndio ili isikauke kabisa.
Yeah.
So you just place it like that.
Wow. So guys, you try after folding it, you try and fold ukiwa unazingiza on each other.
Unaingiza hivyo so it looks like that. You see the way it's planned like that.
Wow.
You see?
Wow.
So that's it. Then I guess ishaiva. You just take it. Wacha nizime tu gas.
And guys, ukiwa unapika kitu kama hii, try and ukiwa unapunguza heat sana because inaweza unguza. So no. But ours is actually perfect. That's how we like it to
the
be.
Brown,
Yeah.
Brown color. So guys, that's how we like ours, that golden brown. See it, you watch where this is golden brown color. So you just take it and if you like extra, remember guys, this is sandwich, you see. So for extra, I'm just doing this for that butter.
Yeah.
And you feel that taste. When I learned this recipe, niliona you can put either butter, margarine, or you can either do cheese if you have cheese. So for us, we don't have cheese. So this is what you just do. Just take a little bit of that, take a little bit of this. Where is the cabbage? And as you can see there, just a little bit of everything, you see. I'm trying to minimize the cabbage taste like that. Then come up with take some other bread. Now I just don't know if this will cover so I'm so sorry our bread is not big enough. But it
it's
is
okay.
if you
looks
want,
so perfect.
actually if you want you can just add margarine here, but okay.
Msikia mkiniuliza na kulanga nini?
Let me take my
The inner part. Wow.
You see now?
Wow. I think she has upscale, yeah. So guys, right now we are making some tea while Lela is trying to make some fruits. Yeah.
You know, when you're making breakfast, fruit is you have to balance. Maybe you've taken bread, you've taken the nini, what is it called? Bread, you've taken eggs, so you just have to balance with maybe
The
a little
diet.
fruit.
Yeah.
And I serve this as dessert, and I'll just show you.
And guys, for me, I won't lie to you guys, I don't take that as in milk daily. I don't like milk daily. So for my diet, I always take some hibiscus. I don't the hibiscus tea, which is natural actually. Hii ni natural. You see these leaves are natural. So what you do, unachukua tu maji ya moto, unangoje chemke kiasi, you put the leaves inside paka zitoe rangi yake. You see this color, zitajitoa hii rangi kabisa. Chai itabalika hii rangi kabisa. So the only reason mi ukunywanga kitu, it's because inasaidianga in a lot of things manze, kama vitu kama blood pressure, vitu kama weight loss, heart problems, heart diseases, inasaidia like inasaidia vitu mingi.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet actually. Ina tastingi kama lemon. You see? So your taste ya lemon ndo mi upenda. After all, nakulizi mafuta zote, I have to find something yenye itatry kukimbizana na hiyo mafuta. Unaona? Yeah. So let's wait for some time. Hiyo maji shike moto, then we will place them. I'll actually show you everything how I do it. Well,
As
you're
for me,
making
I'm making my fruits.
yeah.
I'll show you what the end result actually.
Yeah.
Because right now tunasaidiana. Lazima uangalie the tea and the fruits. So I'll show you guys my end results.
And for me, I'm waiting for my water to boil. So actually, naona kama iko ready. Hibiscus tea. This one. Yeah. Hii ni natural leaves actually. Kuna zile zinauzwa kwa maduka. You can find it on the supermarket. Zikiwa kwa ninio sachets, ndio?
Yeah.
Yeah. But for me, I prefer this one because hii naonanga ikiwa natural kabisa. Natural.
Guys! Can I show you something? Can I? Oh,
So, I guess my water is ready. Unazima gas and you try to put some. Usiweke mingi sana, but it's your choice. Unaweza weka mingi, unaweza weka kidogo. Preference ni yako tu. But for me, napendanga ikiwa na mingi, ndio nisikie lemon taste. Wacha tuipe some time, tukiwa tumeifinika, then I'll show you the color venye itakuwa imebadilika rangi yake.
yeah, that's
So
it.
now that's my tea. I always take hibiscus tea. I prefer taking hibiscus tea because, as in, yeah,
All those benefits.
benefits ni mingi. There are many benefits. Hata nashangaa nitakwambia zipi zingine, but actually unaweza ingia online usisearch, ziko a lot of benefits
very
about.
healthy.
It's very healthy actually. I prefer taking it every day. Yeah.
So, as for me, I'm still doing I'll be using my vanilla yogurt and fruits to make that dessert type of thing. I love to balance my breakfast. And I guess that's it for me.
And for me, actually, I think my tea is ready. So you see, guys. So imeturn, imekuwa red. Actually, is it red, babe?
Is it red or pink? I don't know.
I guess is it red? It's pink, red.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. So, here the hibiscus.
So now, guys, what we just want, I want to do is that I want to place them how I serve them. Then I'll show you the final product. Now, chill to see what ratings they give us. I hope we get a 10 over 10. But nimejaribu bede kupika kupika ni stress.
Mafi.
So guys, we are now done, and this is the final product. As you can see, here are our potatoes, here is our sandwich, here pia ni potatoes, and here is our dessert. And now these cups are for the tea that hubby made. And now we have our people who will be coming to rate. So guys, stay tuned to see what they give us, what ratings they give us. So here's the food now. People are here. So guys, as you can see,
we have done our part.
We've done our part.
Like you said, you wanted to test our breakfast.
So,
Yes.
without even testing this food, rate it ikiwa tu hivyo. The serving and all, hata kama tujaserve, sijui namba tray.
Yeah.
Just rate it vile tu tumeiweka.
Rate it ikiwa imeserviwa hivi.
Right.
Out of 10.
Out of 10?
Out of 10, yeah.
Wow. First of all, I am curious to see what is inside that glass. This is bread.
And we can tell you.
But it's not just a normal bread. So I'll say presentation naipatia 8.5. Okay. I'll repeat. Presentation naipatia 8.5. Lakini juu kuna waru na hiyo yogurt 9.
9. Thank you. I found your story.
Okay. For you? 9.
9 also.
Hey,
okay,
namjaonja. Kuonja sasa rating ya kuonja is different.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
So now,
pia sisi tunaanzisha channel yetu.
anzeni na potatoes maybe.
Potatoes.
There are forks there by the way. Hizo za hapo kando you can
Okay.
Ama you can just use your hands, whatever.
I think I love to touch it.
Okay,
I
so
love to touch.
so that you feel the texture maybe.
Paka wanakubaliana
On the way. So,
rate it.
right, the potatoes.
Utahamia huku. Yeye ashasema atahama huku.
Mimi huko alafu Faruka
Wewe
alikuwa.
unaweza kaa peke yako.
Tell us.
So for the potatoes,
Wow. I don't know what to do, but I give it an 8.5 because sijui ni nini. What have you put? What's the thing?
it's paprika and some salt.
That paprika, that is it. That's the whole thing. You made
And you?
8.5.
Okay.
9.
9. Wow.
Okay, 8.5 to
Can I have another one?
Yeah.
You can. So now,
Okay.
the next maybe
And
the
the
sandwich.
Okay, so about the sandwich part, you can take it with some fruits, which Leila has already made. But I have my tea also. You can serve with my tea.
Tea?
Yeah,
You made tea?
I have a unique tea. I know you've never tasted that tea.
Wow.
I'm sure about that.
Okay.
Leila, can you serve them?
It's the hibiscus tea, but I want them
To test this one first.
To taste everything.
Okay,
Ikiwa
first.
peke yake.
Go.
Okay.
All right. So
Let's see.
I'll eat for her. First of all, you see how it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
So because you don't take eggs.
Yes, really.
We are sorry. We didn't know, so we gonna.
Wow,
we're
just
going to eat
look at the
for you.
layers.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow,
check
Layla.
it! Look at the layers. Are you? Can you show the layers?
Oh, that's my baby girl. That's my baby
damn.
girl.
So now,
Wow. I don't know any
get to
kanza.
the eating now. Yes, yes, please,
Mm.
yes, please.
We are waiting. How is it? Gerald.
Unateka tamaa.
How is it?
I'm about to say.
Hi. G.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
I can feel the
Everything.
salad.
Uh-huh.
I can feel the egg. What is inside the egg?
It's also bread.
It's-
like one side.
I can feel something in between the eggs. I can feel the carrots.
Onions.
I can feel some onions.
Wow.
And then
Uh-huh.
the egg, I think inside is not fully cooked. It's full cooked outside only.
Yeah.
So I could be able to feel the layer after layer.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something. There's quite a lot inside this food
Yeah.
that I can. Well, I give it 10.
10. 10.
I've not tasted something like this, and it's bread. Wow.
It's so sweet.
What did you put apart from the carrots, the onions, the
Just spread some margarine while I was cooking it. Yeah. So now.
So now.
to the.
You can do this, huh?
Yeah, I
You can
guess.
do that?
Yeah, you can take some
do
fruits.
that. Fruits.
Okay. So you guys, it's your turn to take some
Yes,
fruits.
have you recorded it?
Yeah.
Okay, Gerald.
So now take the fruits. I just want to get the rating, you guys.
Pick yours. Pick yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now for that,
Yeah.
of everything. Tell me.
Halima, you're
So
called Halima.
sweet.
Halima, unaipea ngapi wewe? Yeah.
9.5.
9.5. Wow.
Niwaulize. Kuna 10.1?
Ukitaka ipe yote.
Ukitaka unaweza ipea. What is it? It's a
Yoga.
So now that's the kitchen edition from Layla.
That's the breakfast edition. See kitchen.
Oh, yeah. So guys,
You're
that
giving
was
it a
it.
10.1.
10.1.
Okay.
I have given an extra one
Yeah.
because it's a surprise. I didn't expect to see. I mean, there is so many fruits inside here.
I know.
I can feel the mango's skin. Like
Yeah.
umeweka pamoja na skin.
Yeah.
Inaitwa endoscam.
That's one.
Whatever it is, it's sweet. Like I can feel the fruits. And then is it yogurt or
Yeah,
custard?
yogurt.
Wow.
Today I did yogurt,
Guys,
not
that's
custard.
amazing.
So,
So
guys.
guys,
So can I eat it like this?
yeah, you
I
can
put
try
inside.
something new.
Isn't that
Yeah.
Okay.
right?
So guys, that was just it. I guess this has come to the end. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked. I hope you liked watching this. I've shown you the steps from step 1 to step 2. So you guys, there's nothing much to it. Watch, like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell to get more of our videos whenever we upload. And I'll be doing much more of the cooking videos, by the way. Niko na katalanta mahali nimekuwa nikificha.
Wapenda nao wako nyuma tu. And they haven't tasted my tea. They haven't tasted my tea.
Please give
Actually,
us.
I was doing it because of you.
So, we really wanted you to taste.
Kashai.
Okay, let
Just
me
check the color. Just check the color, and then you tell me.
Okay, have you ever seen like
Oh my god.
Have you seen that
pink tea?
pink tea?
Okay, let
I've
me
not
put
joined the
it.
cult, so I'm not gonna drink blood.
This is not blood.
Blood. It's not blood.
Layla
just taste.
is
So, this is
Layla
it's
is
like
back.
a lemon tea. It's like a lemon tea.
Mhm.
It's called hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Yeah. So it's hibiscus. You can
Try.
you can try it. So sijeka skari. It's your choice.
You're the one to put
Okay,
your-
so we taste without sugar. Then
Yeah.
with sugar.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you feeling?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll just put sugar to taste to your taste. Sijui nasema nini?
Unaweka sukari mahali pe.
So onjeni.
Okay, let's taste first without sugar then.
And then you tell me the taste.
Leila, are you here?
Yeah.
How is it without sugar?
Una feel too relaxed. Una feel uko relaxed.
Iko relaxing.
That's the power of these tea ones. Unasikianga tu stress free.
Hata washakunywa
Bila sukari.
You don't need sugar.
Oh, you don't need sugar.
Okay.
It's okay without sugar.
Okay.
Wow. So how much are you giving me
10.
for choosing 10? Wow. Nimepewa 10. So you
It's
see,
relaxing.
the reason why I choose the tea for you, it's because unaona ingine, I guess hapa
A lot of oil.
yeah, you're eating a lot of oil. So hiyo itateremsha hiyo mafuta. You see? Yeah.
So how much should I rate
Umeshamaliza so
Umeshamaliza, umesema yako, umesema rating yako.
Yeah.
Hata sikusikia.
Yako ni?
Okay, honestly, the way it's just going down with the hotness and
Exactly.
then it just feels like it's opening everything
Exactly.
afresh.
Now that's the point of that tea.
And then it's touching things that have not been touched. So I'll give it.
You'll give it?
You're right. You're
I
right.
think I was the most biased person with the ratings.
You're right.
So I'm giving it 10.
10. Wow.
Point zero.
Listen to Malenge. So Ben.
So guys, that was just it. Tulikuwa karibu kusahau the tea, but tumekumbuka wameonja, they've given it a 10. And that's just it, guys.
Yeah.
Stay
So
tuned to watch
wait.
more of our cooking videos. We'll be doing the lunch edition and also the dinner edition.
Yeah.
So guys, don't miss it.
Na hawa washapendana mpaka na chakula.